Here we go. We got the Nano collective pitch helicopter. Gonna give it a go.
You might need to get in a little closer. Oh,
gotcha.
Shit.
Woo! Whoops. Ooh, we gotta tipped it over.
Okay, we'll try again.
There we go. Yep. There we go. Got the collective pitch working.
It's definitely not something I'm used to.
Yep. Got something new here. A little more control involved in this thing. Yep.
Well, I didn't crash that
One
time.
little safe landing. There we go. Kind of hard to see it.
This is a squirrely little fucker. Look how fast the rotors are spinning.
Yep.
And I got it in beginner mode.
Yep.
Yeah, this is collective pitch, and if I knew what I was doing, I'd be able to fly this upside down. But
Yep.
right now, as it stands, I think I'm just
gotta
happy
work
to
on
hover it.
Yep. Get it to hover in, and then
I got my 500
start
inside.
working.
Oh shit!
Oh, it's going that way. And back. There you go. Ooh. Yeehaw. Whoops. Oh, shoot.
Good thing this thing can take a crash. That wasn't very nice to my new helicopter. That's probably good for. I'll try to fly it one more time.
There
Let's
you
see
go.
if I can take it out.
See if it's still.
See if it still functions in one piece here.
Yep.
Oh, something did come loose, I think.
Uh-oh. Okay. Back to
I
the
think
workbench.
something came loose. Yeah, something came loose.
Uh-oh. Yep.
That's all right. You didn't break it. So.
Yep. Back to the drawing board
Back
for a
to the
minute
drawing
or two.
board.